Hi, I'm Kat and welcome to Kat's Cooking Corner. Today we are going to make a no-bake pumpkin cheesecake. For this recipe, you will need cream cheese, canned pumpkin, sugar, pumpkin pie spice, some kind of whipped topping like Cool Whip, and a graham cracker crust. Okay, the first thing we want to do is take our cream cheese. I've let this cream cheese set out for about an hour so it can soften. Dusty, 9. Sorry, Kat is trying to mess with the camera stand. Okay. Like I said, I've let this set out for about an hour to soften. Wash my hands real quick. Okay, and now we want to get our electric mixer prepped. Get it plugged in. And set up the beaters. And you always want to start out on low when dealing with cream cheese. Well, actually, when dealing with anything. Once the cream cheese starts to separate, then you can turn it up to medium. Okay, once it starts to look fluffy, then you can turn your mixer off for a moment. And we need to add 1 cup of canned pumpkin. So I'm using leftover pumpkin from another recipe that I did. Okay. Okay. Then we need a 1/2 cup of sugar. You will need 1/2 a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Now we want to go ahead and turn the blender back on, starting out on low, of course. Turn it on up to medium. Once it's mixed, then you slowly raise the beater and turn it off. Now you want to add 2½ cups of the whipped topping to the pumpkin cream cheese mixture. And it does better if you have actually let your whipped topping sit in the refrigerator for a while so it's soft. Once you have the 2½ cups of whipped topping measured out and in your bowl, then you can gently fold it in. You don't want to overdo it, but you want it blended. Okay, once everything is blended, then you simply fill the pre-made graham cracker pie crust. Now, once you have it totally moved to the pie shell, you'll want to put this in your refrigerator and let it set for 3 hours before serving. Once the pie is done, you can either serve it plain or with additional whipped topping on top. It makes a great addition to any holiday meal. This is not my own recipe, so I will put a link to the actual recipe in the description, along with links to my other websites. Thank you for watching today's episode, and this is Mr. Dusty. Anyway, as always, if you'd like to see more recipes, please subscribe below.